guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is JessicaJ and we talk a lot about home decor. So if that's your kind of thing, I would love it if you subscribe and also follow me over on Instagram. My name over there is MyJessicaJ. In today's video, we're talking all about spring 2022 new home decor pieces, you guys. They have some good stuff out and I think it's worth talking about. And also there is a new color trend that I did not see coming, you guys, but I've been seeing it left and right, and we're gonna talk about it at the very end. As always, give the video a thumbs up if you love home decor, and let's get started. So everyone is coming out with their new spring 2022 home decor pieces, and they have some good stuff. I have some high-end pieces, some more affordable pieces, and these are places that I actually shop at. So let's get started with Target, you guys. Studio McGee has been killing the game when it comes to the home decor pieces at Target. She's very much known for her transitional design style, but I love how she's adding more pieces. So the first piece I want to talk about is the Linwood Square Upholstered Cube. This is the Threshold and of course Studio McGee collaboration, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous. It comes in several different fabrics, so whether you're a boucle person, you like pattern, you like a little bit more color, I feel like she has something that will match your aesthetic. And it's a really good price. It's priced at $100, and you guys, the reviews are really, really good. Now these are great if you want to put them underneath an entryway table. And that way, maybe if you have people coming in, you want them to sit down and take their shoes off, or if you want to use it for extra seating, you can use it in your living room. You can use it at the foot of your bed. I feel like you can use this anywhere. It's worth it, and I love it. And it also comes in a bench option as well. It doesn't have as many fabric options in the bench. Definitely worth checking out. 10 out of 10 in my opinion. So now let's talk about decor pieces that she recently came out with. I'm sure you guys have already seen all of the vases and whatnot, but she also came out with this brass magnifying glass. I haven't seen this in stores yet. I haven't seen anyone talk about this. I love the detail of it. Something different. She's giving us something more in the now versus, the traditional magnifying glass that you would see at your grandparents' house. And I want to show this to you guys because we've all seen those, wooden links, the marble links. I personally love using my wood cutters on my coffee table. So this is just another option to give you guys something different to put on your coffee table, on top of your coffee table books, on your bookshelves. Just add something a little extra. This would look really good on a desk too if you style your desk. And I'm sure you can actually use that, so it makes it a functional item as well. All right, now let's move on to CB2. You guys know CB2 is my jam, and they always come out with the best pieces, in my opinion, for all of their collections. They always have something, I feel like, for everyone. It can be really hard to source vintage items. You really have to be on the go to find that piece. So I really love how they have those items that look like they're vintage, but they're not. So let's talk about the Fitz Russet Velvet Swivel Chair. Now, this isn't a new item, but they recently released their Nova Green fabric, and it is so yummy, you guys. I love velvet. I am a velvet girl all the way. And this one does not disappoint. I love the color. It is a really beautiful green color. I've seen it in person. I sat in it. And you guys know green is the color for 2022. And they also have several other fabric options if you guys don't want to do velvet or you don't want to do the green. When this chair first released, I believe it just came in the Luca color, which is like this beautiful burnt orange color. But now they offer it in a boucle. They offer it in a linen. They offer it in several different textures and colors. So very, very beautiful chair. I think it's extremely comfortable. And a lot of you guys who watch my Don't Buy a Sofa Until You Watch This video are asking me about accent chairs. So I think I need to jump on that and test out a few chairs and give my recommendations, because some of these chairs are absolutely gorgeous online. And then when I go and see them in person and sit in them, they are not that comfortable. So I need a comfortable chair. I don't know about you guys, but I have to have some comfortable furniture in my house. Next item I want to talk about from CB2 is the Apelia, I think that's how you pronounce it, rectangular polished brass wall mirror. I love brass, you guys. I love adding touches of brass throughout my house. I can really picture this in a bathroom if you have like the double vanity and having two, that warmth from the brass adds a little something different. It's a simple touch, but I think that it's absolutely gorgeous. Next item I want to talk about from CB2 are these singular black Marquina marble wall sconces. You guys, when I first saw these, I just about hit the floor. That's a little dramatic, I know. They are made with real marble, so the variation is going to be different. Each one's going to be very unique. I'm like, I need some wall sconces. I need these wall sconces in my house. And the price is actually pretty good as well. It's $99.95. It's real marble and it's different. I love how it reminds me of something from Spain or Italy. And I think these would be a showstopper. I love this. You guys know I'm all about the black and the white. Now, if you're interested in doing a sconce, but you don't want to worry about hard wiring or hiring somebody to do the hard wiring, these are actually a really good option right here. These are the Ripple Brass wall sconces from CB2. I love how the candle is kind of cradled in there versus some that I see is kind of like out. I worry about lighting that against the wall. You know, it's just, maybe I'm just paranoid, but I love how it's kind of cradled in. So to me, it's more of a safety feature if you're actually going to be lighting your candles. But I think these will look amazing in your dining room, having those lit. I mean, can you just picture the romantic vibe? Having the lights dim low, having those lit in your dining room area. There's already a couple of reviews on here and they seem like happy customers. The next item from CB2 I think is worth mentioning is the Bone Media credenza. It's priced at $1,099 and it's a pretty good size as well. When I first saw this in the catalog, I was like, what is that? Because they released images of it before they released the actual product over on the website. But I think it's really gorgeous. You know, I love seeing new items. I really do. And the last item I want to talk about from CB2 is this sheepskin brown pillow, which I think is just boucle. I really want to add more of this type of tone of brown in my house, but the price is pretty good, $44.95. Usually their pillows are priced a little bit higher than that, especially their boucle and they're more textured pillows. So I think it's priced really, really well. All right, let's move on to H&M Home. I love H&M Home. I think that they make really beautiful pillow covers that's really affordable. You guys need to check them out if you haven't already. And they usually come out with really good decor pieces, especially their vases. But they came out with a few marble pieces that I think is priced really well. It's beautiful and we love affordable home decor that looks good over here on this channel. So let's talk about it. They came out with this large marble container. It is beautiful, you guys. You guys can put this on a coffee table. You can hide your knickknacks in there. You can put this in your ensuite. You can put this in an entryway table. You can put candy in there. The list goes on, and I love the affordability of this. It's $24.99. You cannot beat that. So shout out to H&M. I love when they come out with really good home decor pieces because you guys know it's going to be affordable. They also came out with this round marble tray and it's priced at $34.99. And you guys, it's actually a pretty good size too. You can put this in your kitchen and have a bar moment on there. Again, you can put this on your vanity. You can put this in your bedroom. It is gorgeous. The price is good. And another marble piece they came out with that I think is worth talking about is this marble candle holder. This is more of a brown tone marble. This is coming soon, so it's not even out yet. And it's priced at $12.99. I think they have a few different sizes because it's a select size, but obviously it's not letting me click on it just yet because the product's not out. But I think it's a really beautiful taupey brown color. Now I'm really interested to see the other sizes, so I'm gonna have to keep you guys updated on that piece right there. All right, so now let's talk about a color trend that I actually did not see coming, and I've been seeing it left and right. You know how sometimes you notice something and then all of a sudden after you see it everywhere? I don't know if it's that type of situation or it's just really popping up everywhere all of a sudden. So it's this beautiful sky blue or denim blue or gray blue color. Now you guys know I don't do a lot of color, and blue is not really, I mean, I love blue jeans. I'm wearing blue jeans, right? Actually wearing the tone of blue jeans right now. But I think that the way I'm seeing this done is beautiful. Now, the way I'm seeing this is mixed with a wood tone and a black and white setting. And you guys know I'm all about the black and white modern setting, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think that this color goes with any tone of wood, espresso, walnut, even if you get into the more warmer tones. And I've been seeing this everywhere, you guys. And then when I took a deeper look, I'm seeing new pieces pop up on CB2's website, Crate & Barrel, H&M Home, literally everywhere. I think the first time I noticed it is when Kelly Worsler posted it on her Instagram. I'll have to find an image for you guys. But that's the first time I noticed it. I'm like, oh, Now that's different. Here's another designer I saw on Instagram. I actually reposted this too over on my Instagram stories. You guys see those beautiful arch ottomans in the background of the entryway table. And I love how they added that pop of color with the black and white setting and the gold sconces. H&M Home, I talked about them over on my channel before. They make a coffee table that I love. It's the Luca round coffee table. But look how they use it here. Check out this chair from CB2. I believe this is a new fabric for them. This office chair as well from CB2. Have you guys been noticing this color when you guys are scrolling through Instagram or wherever you get your design inspiration? Let me know down below. Check out this dinnerware in the same color. Now, something interesting I want to point out is this was actually Benjamin Moore's color trend of 2020. Now, I can see how this might have been overlooked or maybe no one really talked about it because you guys already know what was going on in 2020, but it looks like it's a 2022 color trend for Sherwin-Williams. So expect to see more of it and let me know down below what you guys think of this new color trend. Now, although this is a 2022 color trend, you don't have to hop on it or feel like you need to add it in your space. But if blue is your color and you love the color blue, you already have blue in your home, I think you guys are in luck because this is your year. You're gonna see a lot more options for you to add in your home. All right, so those are the 2022 home decor pieces I want to talk about and new color trends. Let me know down below what you think about the pieces I talked about, and let me know down below what you think about the new or one of the new color trends for 2022. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon in a new video. Bye.